What the? Where am I? What the? What is this place? Whoa. Ah! My hand! What the? What has happened? Why is there so much stuff? Dude. Whoa. Even other people got.
Guys, who wants to go to
This is what it
levels?
look like? Whoa! Where was the gorilla tag at? Where was the animal company?
Me, I want to go.
Oh, what do I look like?
Hey
What
guys,
am
who wants
I?
to go to the?
What
Who
the?
wants to go? Hey guys,
Oh.
follow me. Follow me. We're doing a multiplayer, guys. We're doing a multiplayer.
Yeah, I need some
Everybody
drip.
follow me. We're doing a
Boy, then we're
multiplayer.
looking naked. Okay, I see you're good.
Everybody follow me. We're doing.
Hold up, what is this?
Everybody follow me.
Buttons.
We're doing a multiplayer, guys. Everybody, we're doing. Wait.
How do I
We're gonna play.
enable them?
Does anybody want to join a private server?
It's like all these people haven't been here for
Or
a long time.
Go to computer.
Mod tree? What the?
The code is HI7.
Whoa, wait. Is this what this is for? Whoa, what? I can actually equip. No, wait, hold on.
H.
Oh, wait, I have this weird feeling. Whoa. Upgrade gloves. We got whoa, I need to get platforms. Let's go. This is my balance. Let's see how much. 450. Okay, that's good. What's the bathroom level? Like so. Oh, okay. Let's. Whoa, what are these? Long arms. Okay, I'm gonna wear this one. My hand feels normal minus all the screws and equipment and stuff. What the? Backroom shortcuts. There's no way it's actually in that backrooms.
I'm going.
Oh, what? I'm teleporting. Where are we teleporting?
I hate you. That's terrifying. I just got.
Oh, let me out. Come on. What the? A monster?
Guys, you get jump scared bad. Like it's hard to
monster. Go, gotta get out of here. Run! Give me in. Oh my god, is this a safe zone? Wait, 2 minutes.
You can't out the monster.
I just have to survive for 2 minutes. And I can finally escape and go back to Animal Company and Gorilla Tag, and I can finally escape. Well, Tube. Juke. I really don't want to wait 2 minutes. 2 minutes of my lifetime wasted on this weird place.
Oh, I don't have a mod shop.
Makes I have to be out of here for it to go. Wait, can I just
get coins from doing tasks?
Oh my god, bro! I don't even know what task are.
I do.
I don't know how to complete one. Don't know what boy was yapping about.
Yeah, that's scary.
Can I?
That look really hates that.
Dude, let's look around.
Right. Yo, this one guy keeps on killing me.
Hey, you can't get me, bro. Get me. Elevator. Wait, no. Open it. Guess it doesn't open until I wait for the 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Bro, can you help me do tasks?
This is nice that I got these cool little mod powers.
How do you play?
Do I prefer these? Like, do I really want this to be on my hands forever? Oh god.
How do you leave the game, bro, and pick a different one?
How am I still alive? Oh, that's I feel
Maybe you have to go.
oh god.
Maybe you have to
Oh.
fun. Yeah, press it.
Okay, well,
I don't know how to.
this is what the mod. Oh, that does not feel good. I don't like them biting me. Have 50 more seconds. I should stop making. Oh my god. Are you like a bull? Let's probably stop making my way.
I hope so. Okay, there's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, there's a monster. One. Hey, get out of here.
Purple. Go.
Go.
The bloody knife.
Monster's coming. Gotta get out of here. Oh god. Oh no, wait, is the timer about to go off? The timer's about to go off. Let's go. I wonder what's gonna happen. Whoa. Oh, that's not good. Pull it together, Mitch. Pull it together. Go. Let's go. I just gotta escape. I just gotta get to the elevator before this one place blows up. Oh, bye-bye. Let's go. Give me in. Let's go. I escaped.